Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about the new Q card of 2023. So this is the latest Q card. This is the Q card from May to August. Okay, describe an adventurous you would like to do in the future. Okay, जो कोई adventure हैगा जो तुसी future ਵਿੱਚ करना चाहते हो, alone or with your friends, it's upon you. Okay, so intro दी हैगी है, being an adventurous by nature, I have keen interest to do brutal sports. Here, I would like to talk about an adventure which I like to do in the florist span. Okay, so this is the intro part. If you do the same thing, it's easy for you to get the higher band scores. Okay, so here's our story. This is a story about 6 months ago. One of my friend, you can say any of your friend. Okay, you have to mention the name, particular name of the friend. 6 months ago, my friend, whose name is Dash, and he went to Goa on a summer vacation, or we can say the winter vacation, but I think nobody likes to do the scuba diving in the winter vacation. So you can say that he visited Goa in a summer vacation, okay, and he spent around 10 days with 25,000 bucks over there, and he did various kinds of activity in a Goa beach. In a Goa, or you can say on a beach, you can name any of the beach. For example, you can say that blue water beach or blue beach. Okay, he did various kind of activities such as swimming, making a sandcastle, playing beach volleyball, and he liked the most is scuba diving. Scuba diving is one of the most famous activity that people or tourists like to do in the Goa beach. The first, he mentioned about the training session that he spent around 40 minutes in a training session in which the trainer taught him about how to breathe underwater and how to do hand signing. Okay, and he also mentioned about the various kind of equipment which is essential for a person who like to do the scuba diving, that are swimsuit, foot pads, oxygen cylinder, and the goggles. Okay, and you can see that he also carried a waterproof camera in which he clicked so many pictures of marine life, or you can say that he clicked the picture of flora and fauna. Okay, and he showed to me, I'm so curious to do that activities in the future. When he showed to me, I'm so excited to do that activity, or you can say that I'm so excited to do that activity in the end of this year. Okay, so this is the whole cue card about describe an adventure that you like to do in the future. Okay, अगर तुहानू इस प्रॉपर दी नहीं समझ लगी, आप इसको भी easy बना सकते हैं. This is the about the advanced level. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this to your friends. Thank you.